Good morning. Welcome to Satsang. I see a few new faces. Welcome. So I may tell that here it's an occasion to be freed from the search of knowing oneself, knowing what could be real in the sense of not in the grip of changes. And surely it cannot be put into any future, because then it's in time, and time goes on changing. Even 1 second doesn't stay more than a second the same. So it is not in time. So it's of no use to expect that it can one day, the fulfillment of it could be soon or before I die. Because the answer, which is no answer, because it is bringing questions and answer in time, it is just where you already are. Means now. And if you experience anything, it's a layer too much. So don't hook at it. Any clarity about it? Any question? Please ask. It's good to ask. And I want just to tell that one has to be very careful with all the formulas. Like you see, everybody, myself I mentioned now. And then some other say the power of now. It's already too much. It's already attributing to now the truth. No, now is an indication. And so on and so on. If you want to be clarified by anything, please ask, because I have less imagination.
What do you exactly mean by it's an indication?
Yeah, maybe. What exactly is meant by indication? Right, indication means it's not the thing, it's not the word. No, you keep it. It's not the word. It is not the. What is expressed is not it, and yet, for example, now. Even let's take the word now. As we know the time only, we will take the now in the time. You see? And yet, it's difficult to, one cannot surely say tomorrow, nor yesterday. So in the words, now is not a bad word as an indication. Means don't go here and there. Now means it's now. So it must be with me here. And if still the search continues, and if it is still a platform where you rest, it means it's a layer of concept which is there too much. Mm-hmm. So it's an indication. Like if I indicate this yellow flower of the garden, I indicate. My finger is not it. I indicate. Mm-hmm. But there is a need of indication because one thinks of himself as something. Otherwise, there would be no need.
Before you said, it's not working. Now it's working? Okay. Before you said we should not hook on it too much.
Not even too much. We should, yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah,
but I wonder how it's possible because the mind wants all the time.
Yeah, sure. So if you don't hook, and it's not the longer time you don't hook. It's a split second of not hooking. Mm-hmm. Then it means you don't listen to the mind at that time. Mm-hmm. And you have that experience. Everybody has this experience in daily life. Mm-hmm. There's a surprise or whatever. I don't need to name experiences which brings that split second. Mm-hmm. So like that, you see. You are not in the company of your mind at the time. Mm-hmm. But here, as the indication is, when you don't hook at yourself, it's what you are. At least you will not search something else. Because you see, if the mind never heard that, then even if he has this experience which gives happiness, which gives a sense of extreme freedom in a way. That's why one wants to repeat those experiences. What I wanted to say? What did I... even what? Yeah, one doesn't know what happens. One never heard that when he's not busy with the mind, where could it be else than in his own self, which is not personal? Mm.
So when we are busy with our minds, we are not in ourselves.
You are always in yourself. Yeah, if you know that, you are always in yourself. So the mind, if you are still alive, will continue. You may have likings, as you had likings for activities before, you may have likings also to do nothing, to just abide in your beingness. Still an activity of the mind, but at least it's... What else could you do? You fall in love with that which you cannot know, which is yourself. Because you are it, you cannot know it. So what's your experience about that?
What I experienced
about this subject?
I experienced that I know many things already, but then to really integrate it and to really do it every day Like I think it's
Okay. So I
like
would
the
not.
theory and the practice.
Yeah, I would not speak like that. You don't need to integrate anything. In the contrary, it's not freedom then. But you can ask to whom this happens. Who wants what?
Okay.
Who is this I who doesn't integrate or who integrates? What is it?
Good question.
Finally, it's the only remaining question.
Mm-hmm.
The mind will always invent an activity.
Mm-hmm.
And it's never enough what you already do. There is always something better to transform, integrate, know more, and so on. Or if you come to satsang to learn less and less and less, and you peel the onion you think you are, and you think that one day there will be the last layer. There was never a layer at all, so what a waste of time. Sorry, I didn't integrate my breakfast. To come back, Shanti, to the split second. I don't remember what was exchanged, but the split second stayed as an object of investigation. You see, even when you already mentioned the split second, it's too late. And that is indicated as split second, what is prior, the idea of split second. But it doesn't matter if that idea arises. No, it's just an idea. Why should I bind myself to an idea? Tell you what's going on. You look like...
How?
Ah, good. Yes, Kutir. Are you still a Kutir?
Yes.
So,
I need to have the microphone.
ah, yeah.
Hello, Ganga. why are we here at satsang? I mean, what is the difference between being in the marketplace, being outside, being in a very busy life, full head, everything, and being here? And I ask this connected to what you just talked about.
There is no difference. It's because your mind makes a difference and you believe in your mind that there is a difference. You think that you will be less yourself in the marketplace than in satsang? So there is a difference. Because you think so. You still are bound to your thinking power. And in satsang, again and again, if at all you hear, it is said, don't trust your mind. It goes on changing all the time. So you don't do anything with your mind. He will be there, he will appear, or sometimes he will not appear. You are not that which can come and go. You are not that which you can describe. The proof is, you see, you think there is a difference between the marketplace and the satsang because you think you are somebody going here and there. Somebody who always goes on changing. And on top of it, you were young before, you are now a mature guy, don't worry, you will be very old. And yet, something in you doesn't care about all those changes. What is it? Otherwise you would be in the mental hospital. So what is this? Which is not attached to the body and the mind and the feelings. What is it? That's what is referred by I am that. That's what I am. The rest is what I became. But don't worry, you see, don't make effort as a person to try to experience what is said. Because it is not the belonging of somebody. It's just a fact. And the somebody may like to be absorbed in nothingness, because he found that there is more joy also there maybe than in the marketplace, and he can feel that even in the marketplace, as one can feel very busy in satsang too, you know. But at least he knows these are modes of the mind. As a person you cannot do better. me something. So, what's going on here? Nothing, maybe. The mind is very happy to be in nothingness for a while, when he has been kicked enough by the rest. It's still a state one can enjoy.
For me, the satsang, when I speak or when I'm here, it seems something important or very important or the most important. And when I go to a stewardess and I talk to her,
I go to
a stewardess or in the marketplace to repeat coutures, it seems to be very different. So I do make a difference myself.
But that's what I say,
Yeah.
That's why you search and that's why you come to satsang.
Right.
Otherwise, satsang, doesn't need to exist. But it's because we search. I feel like in a dead end. Finally, with all these activities, with this world, with those objects, with those unfinished and unending desires and all that. Unending concepts I believe in, and then I break my head, it doesn't work, and I tried so well and so much. You see, it's because you are bound to your mind. And satsang is at least, but there is not only satsang. Satsang can be for a few whatever. To stop, to suddenly be struck by the fact that, oh my God, my life, I thought that my life is what I thought, and in fact I bind myself to my mind, and I include the body and the feelings.
Yeah, and I want to hear it again and again.
You want to hear it because you feel, you have an intuition, there is something there which attracts you a lot, but you see that attraction will not be enough because you will still be unsatisfied. So just hear it once for all. And then you can also hear it again and again because we have to pass the life, also, in some ways. But you could be struck. Oh, everything what I taught so far, let it be in the world, let it be even in spirituality, it's a bondage to my mind. And I hear now, don't trust your mind. There is no exception there. Don't trust your mind. You cannot help that it disappears and appears again. It doesn't matter about that. You don't need to trust it. I am what I am in spite of my mind. That conviction, it's not even a conviction, it's a fact. That fact as what could be yours. What can I say? But it will not be the attainment of somebody. Even if you heard that a lot, still there are layers of believing in it, you see. It will, what you are, it's not somebody cannot enter there, cannot be there. So that's why you cannot know it, you just are it. You can know many deep samadhi, satoris, no mind states and so on, yet it's the mind. Okay, great, doesn't matter. But no, it's the mind. And then, when it's like this, how can you search what? About the subject. It's a fact. I am what I am. The mind does whatever he likes. It is to this appearance of somebody. It's expressed in this way. And that's why many indications say, go back to the source of I, as I is the first which rises, I am. I am is the first rise, in fact. So it's said. But you see, I like less and less those indications, though they may work a bit at some point, but I don't like it because it's to take then the belief that you are not it. You are what you search. So you have not even to go back to the source. You are what you search. Just don't follow your mind. Or know what is the mind. Whatever you can express, even in the words, I cannot express what I live, it's still an experience. Whatever experience you have is the experience of someone who was born, who will die. So it's in the world of changes, it's expressions. It's not referred, it is when one says, be as you are, they don't speak to that expression. It's just to try to try. I have no idea. Let's not go there. So because you see, the mind wants something beyond. Beyond. Don't you see, after just this talk, that it's also a fooling of the mind? Tell me now, tell yourself, dare to say, yes, I see, wherever I will see the word beyond, I know it's fake. Dare to say.
Yeah, when I listen to you, I love it, and at the same time I'm listening to you that I am that.
Then stop. Then that's it. What else do you want? As a person, you may like to have another life. I may like this or this, but that's the life of a person. I am that is not to the person. It's not. It will not be the experience of the person whom I see and who you know is sitting on that chair. And that fact you cannot grasp by an experience. What I could say, it is, that's why there is also satsang. It's not in the objects, it will never be in the objects, because you see, many teachings bring you always an object. Let it be concrete, because it works with asanas or whatever, or let it be inner objects, like what? Tell me something about the practices. Huh?
Anything like watching the breathing.
To be a witness, for example, you see, it's an abstract object, yet a witness is a witness. Huh? So it's not there. It's not there. What is indicated, but you are what you are, it's here now, and don't try to figure it out, otherwise it becomes the mind of somebody. And it will become, because of that, temporary accomplishments. So fake, actually. So, what's your experience? Hi.
Hi. I still wonder why the mind doesn't give up to present about the topic.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know by now that myself is not a result of any movement. Even
Yeah.
the question who am I does not bring myself about,
Okay.
because it is not starting at some point.
Okay, then don't be fascinated by that person.
But will it not somehow disappear from the screen, or is it?
What? Don't bring any idea. Don't be fascinated by the life of this person. That's all. Because you still describe this fellow, no?
Yes.
Yeah. And because of that, because you are hypnotized by the life of this fellow, who now understands, okay, this one, he understood, but if you are fascinated by the life of the one you thought you were, or you are, then it's a layer too much. So,
And I see it's a layer.
but then let it be like a layer. From where do you see that? Keep quiet there, keep quiet there. Can you catch it?
Myself not.
Okay, now me.
Yeah.
So that's the fact. I am that, that's the fact. But you cannot catch it. That's why even many say, I don't understand that sentence. Of course, it's not meant to be understood. Otherwise you will be enlightened on two legs. Good luck. The two legs will trouble you. You are slightly suspicious. Dare to tell me the thought which crosses you.
No, I thought you were looking at Mukti.
Mukti, that was the thought. Two legs, you see? I told you, 2 legs. Yeah.
Even the full stop, it's not it.
But look the proof. You have full stop and still there is suddenly a doubt or a question. So the full stop doesn't stay.
When, I have to say that it's not it. No.
It's not it. Don't worry, that much activity will also not be seen as important. Whatever you can know, it's not it. It's an expression. Is the life of someone. What's your experience? Someone. Yeah.
There is only consciousness. And only consciousness knows consciousness. The mind is just a bunch of thoughts which continue to change and cannot be trusted. And I just finish in silence, and there is nothing else.
For the person, there is nothing else than silence. For the person, yes.
Yes.
Great. Yeah. That's why quite a few free beings, they don't speak. Can I just, for my sake, when you say consciousness, you mean,
Awareness.
is it the same of what I am but not as a person?
Yes.
Okay. Do you take the silence for more real? Do you take the silence for more real than other activities of the mind?
I don't know, it just is.
Okay. I would not take it as more real, but it's a mode of the mind which you cannot help that comes after this knowledge of it will not be the experience of someone.
No, but the experience of someone has generated, is the source of all the thoughts.
Yeah, sure. And silence is a thought also, huh? It's an experience.
Yes. Which still leaves the search for being.
It's impossible. It's impossible. Now you keep quiet. So what's your experience, anyone? The new ones, they don't want to ask something. You are okay with your mind? Or what do you want to hear? Yeah. Could you give the mic, please?
Hi, Ganga.
Hi.
I'm not okay with the mind.
Okay, then don't keep quiet.
Yes, I feel like I'm good at keeping quiet, but that it's a state of mind.
Yeah, sure. Any state
that's
would be the
troubling.
mind. Hmm?
That's troubling.
To see that even that is the mind.
Yeah.
Yes,
Very
yes. You just have to keep so much more quiet that you are not concerned with that trouble. Someone cannot go farther than that, you see. Finally, he heard after years to keep quiet, and he does it. And then still that is a state. Still it is in the mind. What he will do? What he will do? Tell me now.
I don't know.
Yes.
You say there's nothing.
Just keep more quiet.
More quiet.
Yes. Which means be as you are. Don't worry anymore about the state of anyone. Be a fact. Let it be a fact.
Yes. So many times I felt like it was a fact.
Yeah, I know. We were so many times enlightened. That's right. Yeah, but now you know that trick. You can learn a final lesson. Not to be fooled, even if it presents itself. Don't be fooled by what is presenting. What is presented, sorry. Because whatever is presented is belonging to somebody. Is the belonging of somebody. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Ever since I've been able to quiet my mind more, a lot of emotions are coming up. A lot of yes.
Yeah, of course, if you go that way, it will go more. You see, if you push more the swing, and then before it was activities and trouble were like this, but now it's more. Yeah. So, what you have to do then?
I don't like.
You think this is a good way?
No.
Huh?
No.
No.
But
Oh.
I'm also like just accepting it. Like,
Oh! Acceptance! Rejection is waiting for you. It's just a game of the mind again. No, don't do anything. Then the troubles will be like this only. Oh, like this. Yeah.
When you say this, like, don't do anything.
No, try to do everything and then you will see nothing works, then be exhausted, then I say don't do anything.
All right. The image I have with that is an image of, say, of coldness. Like you.
Of course, you were an enjoyer, and then I tell you, don't do anything. I didn't speak to the enjoyer. I didn't speak to somebody. When I say don't do anything,
yeah.
Just be as you are, and let things come and go. I don't say to you, oh, become the laziest person on earth. I don't say don't do anything to somebody. Just know that any effort you do is absolutely, absolutely useless regarding the subject. But, paradoxally, it looks, we have to do a lot of things to laugh when this is said. Of course, it's like to a child of 9 years, you tell, don't do sex because of this and that and whatnot, and it will be coming from one ear, coming out. It's only when he did a lot, then he will be maybe some, whatever, it's a bad example, but it's just to say, that what, I don't know. It was a bad example. I mean, you have to experience a lot to see the value of things, that's all. See, you make me stupid, absolutely. So, but I am trouble with your house. There is a courtier too much with you. Courtier is name. Courtier.
I think I'm a villa, actually.
Oh, wow. Courtier, you could blow it with the wind, but a villa, then go and take a hammer. Even all those efforts to remember, I have to remember who I am, you see. All those efforts are result of an effort. It's useless because what you are, how you say, ils s'en fichent, ils sont contre-fous. It's a bad word in French, I want a bad word in English.
Don't care, but in a
but in a bad word, it doesn't care a shit about it. No? Don't give a fuck. Oh. Okay. French is... J'en ai rien à foutre. It's the same. Really. So, you need to have done a lot of remembrance to finally be, You're freed from that belief, because it was a belief, remembrance, I forget, sometimes I'm in and sometimes I'm out, because of this stupid belief. Because you think it has to be an experience to somebody, an experience of somebody, then of course he's always in and out, all his life. He started with the birth in, he went out. And then when he dies, he was out, he goes in. It's all the time, and in between, a lot of in and out.